Alright guys, so in this video we'll go over how to transfer money from Empower to your bank account. Now, there's two ways. One is you'll link your external institution to the Empower app and then initiate an in-app transaction. Or you can initiate the transfer from the external institution. Now the first one takes 1 to 2 business days and the second one takes about 3 to 4 business days. So let's go over how to do this from the Empower app. So link your account on your Mo tab, right? Go to your app and then go to the Home tab and then tap on the transfer button on the upper right hand corner of the account you'd like to transfer from. Okay? Then type in the amount you'd like to transfer. Select the accounts you would like to transfer to and from. So the to account is basically pre-populated because it's already in here. You are seeing your Empower account. And then you needs to put to the other one, right? You can change this as well to the account of your choice. Usually it will be pre-populated. Then you can just come here and select transfer. And what you can also do is you can initiate the transfer from an external institution. So you provide your Empower account and routing number. Okay. You do that and then you need to link your Empower account using your phone number and passcode. And you'll find them under empower.me. Okay, go ahead and use your Empower account and routing number and they will be able to initiate the transfer for you. It's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.